Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Notifications and Control Center. After that, tap on App Notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable them. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on your apps over here instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Show Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!